We can be setting go. We understand right down to the soul.
Ano, this girl, nagiging mekaniko ka na, anak ko.
So let's step it up. Step it up.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our Moving Diaries. And today is the loading day and pagpapack ng aming mga mattress. So I'm done with this mattress already. And yung mattress namin sa kabilang kwarto, tulog pa po yung baningning namin at nandun ang lala niya. So, dahil ganun ang nangyari, mamaya na natin yun i-deflate or i-vacuum bag. Ang gawin muna ay magbaba muna ng ibang gamit. So, yay! Let's go! Tomorrow, travel na natin!
A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do in the bus. Yeah, it's all about us. Don't you see, baby? A girl's gotta take a flight every once in a while. Leave no girl behind. See my girls and I. A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do what a girl's.
Isa pa lang ang na-empake ni Mami, merienda na agad. Thank you, Tita Rhea, for the gift card. She was my best friend when I was
Gayaan ka dyan, kapitan nga Londa.
Paligid niya Bermuda din na. Wow! Hot! Yeah, it's hot.
Wow, wow, wow. Welcome to Santa Monica. Welcome to Santa. Tama sa TV ba?
And which is like yung tomato area. Sa palangan na empake, nagmerienda na agad. So, balik trabaho. Tapos na ang merienda.
I've never been to this part of town. Everyone is dressed up here, but looks so down. Lost in a room where my shadow drowns. So glad I found you there in the crowd. All I wanted was a little connection, but then
Your turn! Your turn! Lagi na lang yan ang part niya. Twist! Twist! Alam mo naman na mag-twist eh. Yeah!
Ay, kabel na, mas alagit yung papante.
High five, mommy! High five! High five, mommy! High five, mommy! High five! Kiss, mommy! Kiss! Kiss! So proud of my banana. Huh? I'm so proud of my banana.
Daddy, kiss daddy.
Kiss, daddy!
Hold the head.
It tastes like fried chicken.
Go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have you
Yeah, so ito na yung mga naano namin, na-organize namin, nakamada namin. I don't know if that is even a Tagalog word. And I don't know how to English that word as well. Ayan, so that's why ang gusto namin ay yung lahat large box para mas madali siya. Pare-parehas sila ng pagkakalagay. And then this one, buti na lang halos magkakasize lang din sila. So, the dark yellows, yan yung magkakasize. And then the light yellows, magkakasize din yan. So, mas okay. Yan yung mga heavy stuff namin. We're just gonna go back. And nandito na din pala yung bed frame namin na king size. Yung queen, yung ibang parts niya ay nandun sa truck. So, we'll see. Tapos, siningit-singit na namin yung mga damit namin yan na mga naka-vacuum bag. Ayan, kasi sayang din yung space. Taas pa kami kasi hindi pa namin na-pack yung office table ko and my glider. So, yun na lang naman na yung heavy na kailangan nandito sa front part ng trailer. What we do ay nilalabas namin, binababa namin from the hagdan. Grabe, workout na ito. Binababa namin from 3rd floor without an elevator. Tapos tong car, pinapark namin in front of the front door para kinakargahan namin and then dinadrive namin papunta dito sa garage. Well, ano lang naman, halos magkatabi lang naman sila. Pero the distance pa kasi na, lalo na yung bed frame kanina, ang bigat. Ay, ang lakas ng hangin. Grabe! Parang bumabagyo. Normal na lang kasi yung ganyang hangin dito guys sa Midwest. Hopefully, sa pagbiyahe namin, hindi ganito kalakas yung yung hangin. Kasi kapag ganito kalakas yung hangin, well, hindi naman kami magmamabilis. Pero yun lang kasi baka mag-sway-sway. Kaya dapat compact yung laman namin. Mishi, break muna! Mishi, break! Akikis muna! Alalab muna, Mishi namin! Mishi, break! Wow, you stink! There's a smell.
Did you know that exercise is not only fun,
Ang tugok man, ma!
important
Ang tugok ka!
Really? I didn't know.
Grabe!
At katawan na kayo.
Pahigayin natin!
Hindi, taasahin mo kasi naiaangat dyan. Dito ang hindi.
Ini po ng Lala, oh. Lahat na. Nilagay niya sa ziplock kung ano-ano na. Lahat ng mga loose items. Good job, mother. Pero sana alam mo kung ano yung laman ng mga yan at wag mong isama yung mga pang-travel na gamot ni Mishi. Try namin na tanggalin muna yung glider part para mas madaling matanggal yung back area. Ayaw eh. Ayaw mag-slide nun eh. Ito namang talent namin. Sayaw lang ng sayaw. Kain ng kain. Give it back to daddy. Ano ko? Pag wala na yan, hindi na natin magagamit yung glider ni ma'am. Hala, bakit may oil sa ano? May grasa sa braso niya. What kind of... What kind of hammer are you?
What kind of hammer are you? Ha?
I can be the... Huwag naman nating dalhin ng Gloria itong mga maragmag ng anak mo.
I've always liked to be a stranger, keep my distance from the crowd. Thought that way I wouldn't get hurt, but when I met her it became a blur. She took my principles and turned them upside down. I had never felt that way, but what's to say? Sometimes good things end, but I didn't think that it would be this hard for a heart to mend. 'Cause I should know by now how to live without.
Nakaitabog kayo si Dr. ngayon muna. Ay, wala ako sa ito.
What do you think of us, mother kapoy? Kaya namin to. Hindi lang kami ganun kabilis. Gaya ng mga movers.
Pero mawala ba ito sa tagitan?
They don't say how it bothers me. I guess
Oh, yung isa naman ng assistant. Mishi, walang natatapos si daddy mo.
Huwag mo to.
Di ba dalawa naman kasi, ay wala kang bala na ganyang kaliit. This girl, nagiging mekaniko ka na, anak ko. Baka maging driver ka ng na ngayon, Hot Wheels. The heavy part is
Halika dito ba, Nani? Magpakarga.
Hindi ikaw magkakargahin.
Kaya. There. Ay, wallflowers. 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 What's inside? Dapat mo gayang box yun ta. You have to put the box too.
Ikaw kami nga all the heavy stuff in front.
Tap no hangag sala-sala.
Yeah. That's what the instruction said. 60% of the weight should be there. And then 40% here. So, yung TV na lang yung pinaka-last.
Oh, meron po kami ditong kasama yung mga ano po dyan. Oh, naka-ready na po siya. Sasakay na po. Good job. Ay! Ay! May batang maliit. May batang maliit.
Hey guys, update time. It's already 7 PM. And, pina-finalize na lang namin. Actually, naipasok na namin lahat except the TV and itong mga damit or mga maliliit na bagay dito sa loob ng bahay. And we almost forgot our mirror. So, i-empake ko pa ito. Pagdadala kami ng mga bubog. Mga basag-basag naman lahat ng mga to daddy. Pagdating natin. Ay, kami pagod na. Tapos magdadrive pa bukas. Tapos kami pang mag-unload. Kami na talaga ang superhuman. Sabi namin di ba daddy, nung last? Sabi natin, diba? Ay, next time talaga na mag-move tayo. Mag-hire na tayo ng mover. Pero tayo pa din ng ganun. Hi! How are you, my baningning? They can't see what you're showing. Nilalagay naman niya sa screen. I love Bronny. Sleeping Bronny. Ito guys, yung extra na TV box namin. This is also from U-Haul. Magkano bili mo dito, daddy? Parang 20 something, no? 29? Parang $30. Pero complete na yung kit niya. And then, this is extendable up to 75 inches TV. So, yan. Yan ang namin. Gagamitin namin. So, meron na siyang kit na ganito para sa mga corners ng TV. Ayan. So, naglalagay na si daddy doon. While Miss Rachel is playing. Pudpud na yung tornilyo so hindi matanggal yung stand. So ngayon si daddy, we've tried everything na. Rubber band, pagkat.
No kumada kumaragadi ka, ni papang mo karagad dyan ng kasta tapos isoteramidan ng plug screw.
Oh yeah.
Wala nga mo leverage na.
Wala nga eh. So dinidrill na lang ni daddy.
Not unless may kasta-kasta na, the space na karagad dyan ng kasta na J1.
Ala! Yung anak ko nakuha po sa camera.
Camera.
Yan ang mga namin, struggle namin sa buhay.
Caught on camera.
Did I make a mistake by, doing that?
I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. Talked about everything that was on our minds. so let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down.
9 PM na guys, di pa kami tapos. Sabi ko, matutulog na dapat kami ng alas 10. Na-delay kami dahil dun sa TV na hindi namin may karton. Pero at least okay na. Okay na. Final na.
I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder.
Tapon na rin ng gamit. Ano mo gamit?
Louder. Love a little louder. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Don't wanna be shy.
We can do better. We can be setting go. We understand right down to the soul that we can do better. We can have a heart of gold.